Looks like it's time to start making the backing. So let's get this ready to go into the long arm. So what I'm doing is taking this amazing pink polka dots. Yeah, Isn't it cute? And this little scrap I'm going to turn into some form of binding, whether it be flanged or regular, I'm not sure yet. And now I'm stitching this onto my leaders so that I will be able to get it loaded on the long arm. So that's where I'm at on this project for today. So here it is. I've got it this far. It's ready to go on. Polka dots down. I'm going to be adding the backing, lay the quilt top on, and she is ready to roll. So I'll join you back here after I get the top laid on. So I'll see you again real soon. All right, friends. I know someone's going to ask me this. So this is the pattern that I used for the quilt. Isn't it adorable? But what I did, instead of using extra fabric here of what Amy sent me, I put white here, so now it looks like it's the clouds, as you saw in the other clips. But the rules of the game is I have to use all of the fabric. So I had approximately 18 by 18 inches left. And guess what? Girl was sweating it just a bit. So I was sitting and sewing with one of my friends, you know her as Day, in the chat. And guess what? She had a fabulous idea. Every quilt needs a pillowcase, right? So we now have created a pillowcase. So when this quilt's done, it'll get folded up and put in here for the recipient of this project. So thank you, Day, for all your help. Without that brainstorm, I don't know what I would have done. Together, teamwork makes the dream work happen. So I'll see you guys back after I pull this baby off the long arm, or maybe I'll slip in and let you see a little bit of the work. We shall see. Okay, for the grand reveal, right now you finally get to see all of this hard work and what it's going to be. So let me slip the camera around and show you. Here you go. Is it not going to be stinking fun to see it all play out? So it is officially loaded. I like the fact that it's got a secondary pattern. This is the kite FPP from It's So Emma. And it looks like little kites flying around. So it's kind of cute. I'll see what I can come up with for the quilting. Alright, so this is the final piece of the puzzle here of the Amy Dement challenge. That thrift store throwdown was amazing. So as you can see, it looks like clouds with kites flying through, and it's just, I made it look like little puffs. There's no rhyme or reason to the quilting. It was just swirls and echoing the swirls. Some of the clouds are off, but that's done purposely, so it's not symmetrical and everything lined up. Because if you're dancing in the clouds with kites, you're not going to have a perfect one. So the challenge for me was not just Amy's challenge, but to make sure that I put some of those blocks askew. As you can see in row 2, third one in from the right on this, you can see how I had to try to butt these up and make them crooked. So the clouds looked cool. Alright, so everything is ready to wrap this project up and come to the final ending of it. And while we're talking about it, I'm going to have Joe slip me down to the table, and I'll show you how I've packaged this. This is the stripping of the shirt, and I didn't do anything other than follow the lines that Amy has, and the buttons are gone because I don't have the other side of the shirt. She kept it. How rude, Amy. Anyway, I used this to tie it shut. I put a little pin in here. The label is the cuffs, as you can see, and I wrote on it, Thrift Store Throwdown Challenge, February the 24th of 2020. It's February of 2024. Donna Strunz and Amy Dement. Handmade by Ying with Donna. Blessings. So my label is done, and I even left the button on. I thought that would be really cute too. So it is packaged up. Next thing is, this is the handy pillowcase. The challenge was, as you remember, I had to use all of the fabric. So this fits perfect. So let me show you. The recipient is going to even have a little pillowcase when she receives or he receives this project. So how cool is that? It measured exactly what I needed. And I was going to put a little button or a little snap here, but I don't think it needs it. What pillowcase really has that, right? So a couple things. Amy and I are going to be doing the giveaway. It's going to be coming to both of our subscribers, Amy's quote as well as mine. We haven't worked out the logistics yet, but when I do, we're going to do a little video probably together, and we're going to say how this is going to work. I don't know if we're giving it away on a live, how we're going to do that, but stay tuned for those details. And Amy, girl, 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 wait until you see the next throwdown that I do with you, girl. It's going to be a blast. You can't say no. I took yours. Next one's mine. Take care, everyone. God bless and have a fabulous day. And I can't wait to see what Amy has come up with. She's keeping it on the quiet end. So I'll see you then. Bye, guys.